Hello darlings, and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorial with Creative Vinyl Designs. Today we're going to be working on a 3 glitter colored ombre. Let me just show you this beauty. This is definitely 3 colors, not a deep contrast, and I do hope that the color is picking it up. They're not deep blues, they're just light teals, kind of like a frozen teal. I mean, they're absolutely stunning colors. So this is the first time I got to play with these tonight, sick or not sick. I am so happy to be here and demonstrate this for you guys. It is so much fun. These colors are phenomenal. So we're going to use Glass Slipper, Baby Blue, and Winter Wonderland. All these colors are from Glitzy Girl Glitter. I will have the link down below for that. Let me just show you how close these are in colors. This is a little bit, I mean, it's obvious, it's different, but these two, this one is, the Winter Wonderland is much lighter than the Baby Blue, but they're super close. And that's okay. You don't always have to have a high contrast glitter ombre. A lot of people like the subtle look, the subtle appearance. I'm a fan of it. It's absolutely stunning. So I've already painted the cup. I just ombre'd it as much. But anyways, like I said, it looks blue, but it's definitely teal. I should show you the color that I used. It was Gloss Seaside. Okay, very simple color, beautiful color, and it's pulling the natural hues out of this glitter. So with that being said, let me jump right into getting this Loctite. I'm going to do just, actually I'm going to use the Gorilla Glue, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back now, and I've gotten this a nice solid coverage with the Loctite. I'm sorry, not Loctite, Gorilla Glue. You can use either one. I do normally use the Loctite, but my spray bottle is acting wonky, so we shifted to Gorilla Glue for this tutorial. So with that being said, we're going to start with the Glass Slipper. And we're just going to ombre it literally like normal. Just ombre the bottom. Just look at that beauty. Oh my god, this color is phenomenal. And just put it to wherever you want, just making sure you leave enough room for your other 2 colors. Okay. So that was the Glass Slipper. Set this off to the side. And I'm going to go in with the Baby Blue. And if any of you guys have seen my double ombre tutorial, if you haven't, check that out. If that's where you need to start first, that's okay. But I have one, and you'll see where I kept a little space right in between the 2. So I just come up enough just from it and then guide myself down and around. But you want to leave that little section open. Now, I know a lot of people use that tea sifter thingy, and I bought one because I was curious. I wanted to see if I could use it, but I'm old school, and I just stick to what I'm used to. But if you're new and that's something that you started using, then absolutely you can continue to use that. If you're going to do multiple ombres, then I would recommend buying more than one. Otherwise, you're going to have to keep just swapping it out. But, I mean, I guess it's not that big of a deal. And then, of course, this can go right here in the center. So I'm going to move this aside carefully. And I'm going to go right ahead in with the 2 mixes of the Baby Blue and the Glass Slipper right here in the center. And just like my double ombre, I'm coming way up so that it can pretty much land wherever it may to make the smoothest blend. These colors are so beautiful. Okay. So there's that. I'm going to set that off to the side. Putting that there so I don't mix it up. I have mixed it up before. I would have considered that a tutorial blooper. I'm pretty sure I mixed them up. Alright, so now we're just going to take the Winter Wonderland and I'm going to go up here at the top and work my way down. Let me make sure you guys can see this okay. I am going to do a spray paint tutorial. I'm just waiting because, you know, Florida is wonky in weather and it's a hit or miss. And some days it's beautiful and we don't have any rain and wind. Wind is a factor. It's going to pop that off. So I'm looking forward to getting you guys a tutorial very, very soon on spray painting. So just give me just a minute and I promise I will make it happen. Alright, so we got one more section. And this is the one that was mixed with the Winter Wonderland and the Baby Blue. And then you just go right where it's open. There's not that much to cover, but make sure you come up high. Like my hand is a nice and far away from this cup, so that when it drops, it's like pretty much going wherever. And it's not going to give you harsh lines. You want smooth, beautiful transition in your colors. All right, we'll pop it off. And there you go. So I'm going to show you, I take off my tape immediately. That's just me. I have actually waited what I think might be too long. And with the Gorilla Glue and the Loctite, it just like it was really kind of hard to get off. But I like to get it up and away, my electrical tape up and away from the glitter before everything is said and dried. So you want to be really careful down here at the bottom, but we can clean that up. Come on, tape. Here we go. Just let that go with it. And just continue to pull it around. And there you have it. Beautiful triple ombre. Absolutely beautiful colors. So again, I ombre'd this cup white and seaside teal. I'm gonna call it teal, even though it looks, I think it's blue on the screen, but it's definitely teal to me. And then I just triple ombre'd it. Easy, 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 guys. So much fun too. So now we have two identical tumblers. I'm trying to get them both in there, guys. Sorry. And now we have two beautiful identicals. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Check out everything Tumbler Tutorials. Facebook group. It is popping now. It's new, but it is getting there. Lots of new members every single week. It's so much fun. You're allowed to share links and be open and be free. And share, share, share to help other members all the time, guys. Please, that is our ideal goal, is to work as a team and share and help other people get this good. Okay, it's not hard. A little bit of practice and you can do it. Also, check out these 3 colors for Glitzy Girl Glitter. I will post the links down below. Absolutely beautiful colors. I also have a coupon code, RSCOT2020, and you guys can use that code as well when you go to the website and purchase some glitter. Thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye, darlings.